This is really sad. Look. Violation of the Animal Jam rules. I never violate the Animal Jam rules, okay? I never do. I never do. Okay? I have never violated the Animal Jam rules. And this, I haven't even been on for about a week or two. And then it just says violation. First of all, did I put something on my YouTube channel that offended Animal Jam? Did I? I'm sorry, Animal Jam, but please take that off, okay? Please take that off. Please, pretty please take it off. I haven't done anything wrong. And if I have, first of all, Babbitt Games. Yeah, so basically she said Animal Jam is crap. Okay? She said it. And did that offend Animal Jam that I repeated it? Or something, okay? Okay? Free Animal Jam accounts. Oh, they were blowing up the last video. Got so many views. I was like, what? No, Jama. Anyway, Animal Jam, please. I'm gonna post this. My goodness, my parents just edited that. Ignore that, please. Ignore it. My mom and my dad. Anyway, guys. Okay, so Granny 2 is out. I already knew that. Basically, I already knew that Granny 2 was out. And I gotta the help desk. Because first of all, I'm like, why did I get it? Is it because I said crap? Okay? Is it? Because it's a child-friendly game. Even though Babbitt said that. Some Animal Jam is getting on my nerves. If they start banning me and doing stuff like this, like Jillian 2 AJ, I'm literally going to stop playing Animal Jam and tell people to stop playing Animal Jam. I have a friend Elia Bun. I'll tell her to stop. I'll tell everybody to stop. Animal Jam is basically not having much players, and it is Animal Jam. Animal Jam shut down. Now, that's the question everybody asks. Why people post that? Is Animal Jam shutting down? No. There is just too many. Okay, I'm gonna cover that. Well, you can't see it, but please. We do not want to know what happened to Club Penguin. Oh, is it because I said that? Okay. I'm gonna have to go to Animal Jam right now, and say that Animal Jam. I'm gonna have to go poop AJ. I know it streamed a while ago, but I'm still top gifter. Sorry, I've been watching her giveaways. I'm so sorry.
I'm streaming again. Get over it. I don't know how long I'm going to be streaming.
Am I still a top gifter? No! Well, I guess it just stays for one. Not really sure. But that was a big one. Okay, so really just do not want to be bothered right now. Thank you. There's just a lot of Animal Jam things that you do not want to see. Yeah, Animal Jam. I'm going to put this on there. I'm going to be like, Animal Jam? What did you do? Why did you do this to me? KK? Oh, I remember Animal Jam Alive. So fun. So fun. Okay, that was Animal Jam Live. But I stopped watching it for a little bit because I was like, I couldn't handle it. Awesome channel. Whoa, oh, Lord. Yeah, you're not going down that. Anyway. They put my channel on bubble chat, and I can't believe they did that. Why, Animal Jam? Why? Okay, so here's the questions. Why? Why? What? Okay, so why did you do it? What did I do? How did I offend you? And where did I offend you? Not really where, but when in my video did I do it? So those are the questions for Animal Jam, okay? Please do not. Please take it off. And if you suspend me for no reason, I'm gonna be like, Animal Jam sucks. Okay? I'll be like, you know what happened to Jillian too. Okay? He got banned multiple times. Like, Animal Jam was like, guess it sucks to be you. I was like, oh. I'm sorry, but please, Animal Jam, I'm gonna put this on your latest video so you can see it.